this is our workshop of the CNC drilling and milling machine. And we finished all the production. You can see our seat photo, and everyone you can drilling all the machine. This you can see. Yes, let's see our computer system. This is why our drilling and milling machine is so expensive? No expensive. This is our advantage. Let's see. We can change this computer system to English and Spanish or Korean or Vietnamese and Japanese. All language is okay. Come here. Look, you can input your setting or change code. Otherwise, we can use this graphic system directly, not distributed our graphic setting. Yes, and let's open this. And look this step, you can change this step by yourself. It's very convenient. Yes, this also.